through phloem via the process, that is mass flow, is called as translocation. How it happens? See here, in photosynthesis we are getting the end product as carbohydrate, that is sugar we are getting C6H12O6 in our equation, we know that. And other organic molecules, amino acids, organic acids, proteins, inorganic solids like potassium, magnesium, nitrate, calcium, sulfur and iron, all things we are getting it. These are all from where we are getting, from the mature leaves to the sing cell. Sing cell means what? Areas of growth and storage. Okay, which cells require for their growth, or the excess amount is in our plant. We know that the excess is stored in the form of root, or what is that, in the root. We can what is that, the plant stores the excess food, are transported through phloem. See, I will show the diagram. See here, this is our plants. We are having the phloem tissue. This is, we are having the xylem tissue. See here, this is our leaf. It has the sucrose in it. That means the byproduct of the photosynthesis. Here, because of the chlorophyll pigment, it absorbs sunlight and it produces a sucrose molecule, carbohydrate. Okay. So what will happen? It comes to the next one, the companion cells. The phloem has the different cells. Okay, this companion cell comes, then it is coming to this phloem part. Here what happened, and once it gets it, what will happen? Here it goes to the sing cell, that is it needed. This is needed by other branches, or otherwise we call it as sometimes it is stored as a fruit. Okay, so it coming down here. So this is happen here. Here how it happened? Here what is that? Active and passive transport from source cells to sing cells. Sing cell means something but which one required the carbohydrate, or it is in the form of fruit or whatever maybe. That is, we are storing it. Okay, so this is called the sing cell. This from source cell to sing cell it is coming. Here what happened? Here both the activities are take place. That is, what happened? Active and passive transport. Active transport means what? Here it uses the energy. With the help of that, it is coming out. Okay, whereas passive transport means here no need, just simply it is diffusion take place. Here again the important point is here, the xylem goes there, through which the water molecules comes here. Okay, because once this one, what happened? It creates the ATP, or because of the energy we are getting these food substance to the phloem. So at that time what will happen? Because of the concentration, this level, what is that? Energy level is difference over there. Because of this, the water molecules comes from xylem to this one. So what will happen? Then the diffusion and other process take place, and it comes to our which one? Sing cells. So this is said to be, what is that? Source cells and sing cells. In source cells, the high concentration of sugar is present over there, whereas in sing cells, low concentration of sugar. So this is the example of root cell. Here, this is the example of leaf cell. Source cells is the example of leaf cell. Through which, here what is that? The active and passive transport take place. So, okay, how does the sugar move through the phloem? This way it moves over there. Okay, from source cells to sing cell, it comes by, with the help of phloem tissue, it reaches. Okay, next one, difference between xylem and phloem. Xylem we are having tracheids, vessel, xylem fibers are dead tissue, whereas phloem fibers are dead tissues. Whereas the xylem gives mechanical strength to the plant, whereas phloem does not give any mechanical strength to the plant. Here, what happened here? The conduction of water by xylem. This is what is the only one direction, unidirectional. That is from roots to apical parts of the plant. whereas food material conduction is bidirectional, that is from leaves to storage organs or growing parts, or from storage organs to growing parts of the plants. Okay, this is called as bidirectional. Next one, xylem is star shaped, whereas the phloem is not star shaped. It occupies the center of the vascular bundle. This one is occupy outer side of the vascular bundle. This is tubular with hard walled cells, tubular with soft walled cells. These are the difference between xylem and phloem. Okay, so these are about the transportation in plants. Okay, so now we studied about transportation in human being, transportation in plants we studied. Thank you children. Take care.